Today we'll talk about how can you enable light mode on your Eyecon app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click on more down here. So when you just click here on more, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on themes, just click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You just click here on light here. So then automatically it's going to change with you to light mode like you see on your Eyecon app. So that's all you have to do to change it to light mode. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.